Hello, my name is Corey Master and this is part 2 of my CA1 for Network for my course in DKIT. In the first part we were walking through all the CA web server pages here, all the Java files here. Now we're moving on to the CA client and then we're going to go and demonstrate my code. Okay, in the client part we have created a new client thread from the class client thread. We print out a sending HTTP request. We have a try and catch loop, a catch statement, which have a for loop in it, and it will loop for 10 times. After the 10 times, it should stop and exit. If there's any error, it should have an exception. Okay, in the client thread, we have a private string, final string, which we have called user agent. We'll talk about the Firefox, the Chrome, the Safari, like all the web pages that is useful. It's useful, pretty much. Final int min is the lowest web page, and then final max is the biggest web page. So we enter into the run method and we create a random ran from using the tree string URL that is found in my folder, and then I call it a string, so it will make it randomize it, and then it will go through. If it's 1, then URL is equal to this and all that stuff. Then it will go into a try and catch statement where we create a new URL from the URL from one of these here. We create a HTTP URL request using the URL object that we created from the URL. We read in the redirect URL and connect to the back end server. We have the string redirect reply URL, which will change the website, the URL to the different position URL. We have the string tokenizer token, which is used to get the redirect reply URL from the redirect reply string from the con.get response method. We then created another object too, which optional default is get and request headers. We store headers in HTTP request, where we ask to get the header line to equal to the BR read line. Here we have it, so con.set request method to get, which should get web page / example 1 .html or etc. This here should request property of the user agency and the Chrome, Safari and all that stuff. It should also do host connection, where the connection is either going to be close or keep alive, and I forgot the last one. Then we have an int response code, which is equal to the con.get response code. We have a printout that pretty much this here will be shown in the code in the client when we run the client after running the thing, showing all the web pages. And then import stream is equal to con import stream. This will get all the information from the web pages, and then if anything is anything wrong, then we have an exception. This here get a format from the HTTP request. Down here it will come out as like HTML, and then the headers, and then the title, and then all that stuff. Okay, now if we shall run it, so let's go like that. You have to run with the main one first. because if you run with that, it come over default. So it start off with like load balance is ready, and it create the full port, and then the full port are listening. Then we shall run it, and as you can see here in the client part, it does the sending get URL to this thing, and then the code. If we see here, it was this part here, and then this print out everything else here. So it print out the whole document, and then we create a new one, and etc. Okay, in the client part, we have it going connection accepted, connection 1, and thread has begun, which is seen in the web server, I believe. As you can see here, connection accepted, connection equal number 1, and then thread has begun. It should then go into load balance and print out incoming the redirect web page, which we have here. Also, it print out the timer here, so it print out the time that the thread started at, and all that there. So it print out all this. Then per server go. No, it's actually, yeah, it's per server. Get the client accepted on port 1241, and then we get the client IP address, which is 127.0.0.1, and then we have port listening from the per server as well, as you can see here. So now in the we get all this information: the user thing, the host, the accept text, image, and image JPA, and all that stuff, and connection. If we go to HTTP, that is coming from the headers from the BR read line, which is coming from these here. And then we end it all by going, then we ended with thread ended at such and such time. Okay, as we saw in our log file, it should have created a text file in my project called CA Networking Project log file.text. So if we go in here, and you see it made a file, and as you can see, it go thread. So the requirement that was asked was it should have the port number and timestamp, so it started at this time and then ended at this time. The port number, which is 1241, client IP address, which is this. The words would be server. I don't know what server that supposed to mean. I just added these extra information because I think they might be useful, as well as the redirect to this website, to the new HTTP. Okay, and that's pretty much my code. I'd like to thank you for watching, and thank you for watching.